Imagine urban wind walls like Eva wind walls, discreetly generating power on city buildings, 2,000 kilowatt hours a year from one wall, or solar carports, shading vehicles while producing up to 5,000 kilowatt hours annually, enough to power a home or send an EV 25,000 kilometers on pure sun. When disaster strikes and the traditional grid crumbles, these quiet systems become a lifeline. Hurricanes can rage, cyber attacks can hit, power plants can fail, but a home powered by its own sky harvested energy remains an island of light and comfort. This is more than future technology. It's available now, offering genuine energy independence to anyone ready for it. These survival technologies are not locked away in secret labs. Regular people can get them right now. Most people think advanced survival tech is only for the wealthy or military, but that's not true anymore. These systems are hitting the market at prices that regular families can actually afford. Solar gapped smart blinds show how accessible this technology has become. These blinds track the sun and generate up to 100 watts of electricity per square yard. They replace regular window blinds and make power at the same time. The electricity charges phones, powers lights, or cuts energy bills. The blinds also help cool rooms, which means less need for air conditioning. People can install them in apartments, houses, or offices without major construction work. The Blip One power station works perfectly for renters and apartment dwellers who can't install permanent systems. This compact device plugs into any standard wall socket and charges during off-peak hours when electricity costs less. Then it provides power during peak times or outages when people need it most. This station is portable and easy to use without complex wiring or professional installation. People can take it with them when they move. Rainy filtration systems turn any rooftop into a water source, while simple inventions like the Lumiere K lamp prove that emergency preparedness doesn't require expensive equipment. This lamp uses regular cooking oil and a small flame to generate bright LED light during blackouts. Cost ranges vary, but financing options make these technologies achievable for different budget levels. Solar systems start at a few $100s for basic setups and scale up based on power needs. Water generation systems range from simple rain collection to advanced atmospheric units. Battery backup systems come in sizes from small phone chargers to whole house solutions. Many companies offer payment plans that spread costs over several years. Check user forums and tutorial videos for installation tips. Online communities share real-world experiences with these systems. Forums dedicated to off-grid living, preparedness, and sustainable technology help people learn from others who have already installed similar setups. Video tutorials show step-by-step installation processes, and user reviews highlight which systems work best in different climates and situations. The real power comes from combining multiple technologies into layered survival systems that work together smoothly. Solar panels charge batteries that power water purification systems. Biogas systems provide cooking fuel, while atmospheric water generators supply drinking water. Each technology supports the others, creating complete independence from traditional infrastructure. What this means for people is huge. Energy independence and crisis preparedness are achievable goals rather than distant dreams. The technology exists today at prices regular families can manage. People don't need to wait for permission or special access. They can start building their own survival systems right now. These breakthrough systems offer complete independence, falling infrastructure, water from air with panels, fuel from waste and biogas units, and power from silent solar wind grids. Each technology transforms basic resources into survival essentials. Here's what everyone needs to know. Pick at least one backup system that fits your situation. Research solar generators for power, look into atmospheric water systems for drinking water, and consider biogas units for cooking fuel. Start small and build from there. Preparedness through technology creates hope rather than fear about the future. These systems give people control over their own survival instead of depending on infrastructure that might fail. Like this video if these technologies surprised you, and subscribe for more survival innovations. Which technology would you deploy first in your home?